I got this fart bomb. We're gonna test it out. I got this from the ice cream man, which came in like minutes ago. We're gonna test it out. We just have to squeeze like right here. There's like the package thing, which is originally supposed to go in the butt. We just have to squeeze real hard. Oh! It has to explode, and then it's gonna smell like fart. Here, let me just bring this a little closer. The other one didn't explode, but I think this one will. We just have to keep a distance from it. That one over there was the one that didn't explode. Hope this doesn't take 8 minutes again. Please. Can you explode? Let me just make this a little quicker. Oh! It just needed a little push. Let me smell. Oh God. It smells bad. Well, this one exploded, but I needed a little help from this. And that's the end of this exploding video. Okay. Bye.